Production. Sound is a form of energy produced by the vibration of an object. Requirement of a medium. Sound needs a medium, solid, liquid, or gas, to travel. Sound travels fastest in solids and slowest in gases. Vacuum. Sound cannot travel through a vacuum. This is demonstrated by the famous bell jar experiment.
2.
Nature of sound waves. Sound travels as a longitudinal wave. It consists of two main parts. Compression. See the region where particles are crowded close together, high density and high pressure. Rarefaction are the region where particles are spread far apart, low density and low pressure.
3.
Characteristics of sound. The nature of sound depends on the properties of the wave. A. Frequency and pitch. Frequency, the number of cycles, vibrations, completed in 1 second. Unit, hertz, hertz. Pitch, how shrill or flat a sound is. High frequency is equal to high pitch. Example, a woman's voice, a whistle. Low frequency is equal to low pitch. Example, a man's voice, a lion's roar. B. Amplitude and loudness. Amplitude, the maximum displacement of a particle from its mean position. Loudness, the intensity of the sound. High amplitude is equal to loud sound. Low amplitude is equal to soft feeble sound. Unit, decibels, dB.
4.
Production of sound in humans. Sound is produced in the larynx, voice box, located at the upper end of the windpipe. It contains two vocal cords stretched across the voice box. When air from the lungs passes through the slit between the cords, they vibrate to produce sound. Vocal cord length. Men, tilde 20 mm, longer cords is equal to deeper voice. Women, tilde 15 mm, shorter cords is equal to higher pitch.
5.
Sound generation by a speaker. A loudspeaker converts electrical energy into sound energy. It consists of a permanent magnet, a coil, and a screen, diaphragm. When electricity flows through the coil, it creates a magnetic field, causing the coil and screen to move back and forth. These vibrations produce sound.
6.
Limits of hearing, audible range. Type of sound. Frequency range. Examples. Infrasonic sound. Less than 20 Hz. Pendulum vibrations, earthquakes, whales, elephants. Humans cannot hear this. Audible sound. 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Normal human hearing range. Ultrasonic sound. Greater than 20,000 Hz, 20 kHz. Bats, dolphins, dogs. Humans cannot hear this.
7.
Uses of ultrasonic sound. Communication, used by ships for communication, sonar. Medical, sonography, ultrasound, to view internal organs or the growth of a fetus. Cleaning, to clean delicate parts of watches or jewelry. Nature, bats use it to navigate and find prey in the dark, echolocation.